Hello, my name is Delphine Gardere. I am the owner and director for the distillery called Rhum Barbancourt based in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Today we are with one of our ambassadors, Jimmy Jean-Louis.
Hello, Delphine.
Hi, Jimmy.
How are you?
I'm good. Are you ready to go on a tour of the Barbancourt distillery in Port-au-Prince, Haiti with me?
Of course, I'm ready if you take me.
Let's go.
Let's go for it.
On December 4th, 1492, Christopher Columbus was the first European to set foot in what is now present-day Haiti. He later returned on a second voyage, bringing with him sugarcane and making it the richest colony in the world by the end of the 18th century, gradually expanding its export to include sugar and indigo, coffee and gold. Haiti earned the moniker Pearl of the Antilles. Through a series of revolts that began in August 1791, some 300 years after the start of the colonial rule, the Haitian people ultimately won, making Haiti the world's first independent black-clad republic in 1804. Following this, the sugarcane plantations belonging to the European colonists were conceded to Haitian farmers. As of the 18th century, the country already had over 100 distilleries producing tafia, unrefined alcohol made from pure sugarcane juice. In 1862, Dupré Barbancourt, who was born in Les Cayes, whose family originated from Bordeaux in France, established a distillery in Port-au-Prince. There, he applied the double distillation method to Haitian rum and created the highest quality spirit. Barbancourt has a long-standing commitment to quality. The distillery uses 40,000 tons of sugarcane annually, 28,000 tons of which come from a group of 3,000 farmers, with the rest grown on its own plantations. The sugarcane used, Saccharum officinarum, is known as Madame Meuse, which is endemic to Haiti. Local farmers traditionally have very small holdings and refrain from using chemicals, fertilizers, or insecticides. Although this process yields a smaller crop per hectare, Haitian sugarcane presents a more robust, pure flavor, perfect for creating an exceptional rum. To avoid premature fermentation, the cane must be crushed within 36 hours of cutting. The sugarcane is crushed in 4 successive mills. Producing a dry residue known as bagasse. This bagasse is burned in a furnace to produce steam, which is then used to heat the column while also powering a turbine that supplies electricity to the entire factory. The extracted liquid is transferred to fermentation tanks, where yeast is added slowly to transform the sugarcane into alcohol while preserving the plant's aromatic substances. This 3-day process produces a fermented liquid with an average alcohol content of 7 to 9%. One of Rhum Barbancourt's trade secrets for creating his distinctive flavors is the yeast used during this process. Distillation involves separating alcohol from the sugarcane wine, a process conducted in a specially designed double column. These long-standing technical specifications give Rhum Barbancourt its distinctive flavors. The alcohol is then moved to our cellars, where it is aged in French oak sourced from Limousin, located 80 miles from the Cognac region. Since 1862, Rhum Barbancourt has set itself apart by using these specific barrels, which allow its rum to soak up the aromatic intensity of the wood. Barbancourt has its own laboratory in Haiti, which is equipped with liquid and gas chromatography to ensure that the alcohol is of the highest quality at the molecular level. The bottling process begins when the aged rum is received. After final filtration, tests are conducted to ensure that the rum meets our strictest quality standards. Following this, the rum is bottled and shipped worldwide, making Barbancourt Haiti's #1 ambassador to the world. Through a unique process based on the Charentais method, Rhum Barbancourt produces a selection of rums with singular and distinctive characteristics. Depending on their age, our rums all have distinctive features while retaining a strong identity. The Haitian proof. Made from pure sugarcane juice, our white rum offers green notes of fresh herbs and eucalyptus. Whether on its own or in your favorite cocktails, it will add unique aromatic notes. Our 3 Stars rum is aged for 4 years and delivers warm notes of vanilla and spice, with a delicate peppery freshness on the palate. Our 5 Stars rum is aged for 8 years and has a complex nose with notes of toasted wood and gourmet vanilla. These same notes are reflected in its long finish. Our award-winning estate reserve has garnered an international reputation. Aged for 15 years and finished in bourbon casks, it has a fragrant and complex nose with notes of candied citrus fruit and roasted flavors. The palate is powerful and explosively rich. Rhum Barbancourt has recently made substantial investments towards modernizing its production facilities. In addition, $5 million from IDB will help promote sustainable development through a solar energy project and a recycling facility. Once these investments are in place, Rhum Barbancourt will become one of the first 100% carbon-free rums. Rhum Barbancourt's success is the result of the dedication of its nearly 600 employees and 3,000 planters who demonstrated an unshakable commitment to producing quality products that rank among the best in the world. Rhum Barbancourt and Haiti proudly shine on the international stage thanks to them. Aware of the crucial importance of its human resources, the company continuously invests in developing its employees, thus contributing to a qualified Haitian workforce with a reputation for hard work.
Thank you very much, Delphine.
An absolute pleasure, Jimmy.
I hope you enjoyed discovering the magnificent different kind of rums that we have at Barbancourt, which reflects the Haitian culture. And let's continue to celebrate and to drink Rhum Barbancourt. Cheers.
Cheers.